Hi guys, I'm going to show you all my slimes that I have. They might be pretty, I have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9. I have 9, 10 slimes. Like, lots of slimes. So, I will be showing you. The first slime I'm pretty sure I got was this one. This is actual Putty Souls way. This was this was the third. This was the second. Like, look, like it's a really watery jiggly slime. And I had these like putty. Put these over here. I was gonna show you what the slimes look like out of the container, but I'm actually going to be showing you pictures of the slimes, so I might be ending this video in like a second, so make sure you subscribe, make me a big thumbs up, and subscribe, and make sure you turn on the notification, to click the bell, make sure you make me call, and also put in the comment section, what is your favorite color of slime? What is your favorite slime, alright? So make sure you put that in the comment section. I'll see you guys later. Bye.